everyone, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily create video transitions using Shotcut editor. So here I have 3 video clips in playlist and Shotcut. I'm just going to drag and drop them to the timeline. So that's video 1, 2, and 3. And now if I move these clips one right after the other, as you know, if I play them, it's just going to be a hard cut like this. Right? But if we want to have a nice smooth transition between the two, what you have to do is just, let's say if we want to create a transition between video 1 and video 2, I have to select this video 2, basically left click so that you can drag it around and then overlap it with video 1 like this. So the more you overlap, the longer the transition is going to be. So let's say if I overlap it this much, here you can see we created this transition section. Now if I replay these clips, so by default it should be a dissolve transition. Yep. And by the way, if you have audio on your clips, it would be a audio crossfade. So as you can see, this is the dissolve transition there. Now if I go back, and as I said, if I create a longer transition like this, this is the cross section, so this is where the transition happens. Now if I replay the clips again, the transition is going to be longer and smoother, as you can see. All right, now what we can also do is if we create the transition like this, now if we navigate over the transition area, we select the transition area, we can navigate here to properties, and in here we can actually select different types of transitions. So for example, I can select bar horizontal, and here you can see preview actually of the transition that shows how the transition would look. Bar vertical, so let's say I'm going to select bar vertical. Now replay this video, and that's our transition. Now also what you can do is adjust the softness of this transition. So if you move the softness up to 100%, let's see what's going to happen. Yeah, so it's going to be maximum softness of the transition. Now if I move the softness to 0%, I would imagine this would be a very strict transition. Yeah. And that's basically it. This is how you apply transitions to your videos or images using Shotcut editor. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.